Before I get started, please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any new material that I'm going to be producing in the future. And that helps us grow the channel, grow more content, and help people like you.
And sometimes when I am starting with the language, I'm starting with English just to write the algorithm. Um, it's even-ended. And at the end, I'm printing the content. Okay, so and this is really something I do when I start with new languages, because I first try to figure out the algorithm without getting stuck in the details of how do I do that? How do I write a variable? How do I? Sometimes at the beginning takes a little bit of time. Okay, so the question is, so for a equal, and the lowest 4-digit number is 1000, and the highest one is 9999. And then for B, I'm starting with A because I don't want to count twice. So every time I'm doing that, again, until 9999. So I have this, right? Okay. So now I need to check if it's even-ended. So I'm going to convert it to a string. And then so the distance between English and Go, it's not that far, but it's a little bit different syntax.